Just quick, let's
Okay,
say
yeah.
you get a low oxygen level. Is that going to come up big letters, low oxygen, or if you get methane, is that going to flash
Yeah,
the methane
I'll give,
requirement?
and I will do a
Or
little illustration here to kind of
sure,
give, and actually, what we could
will that
do as
happen during the
well.
calibration?
Yeah, but I'll give you
Okay.
just a, okay, so there I deprived it of oxygen, and that's the one that's in alarm. So, fortunately, none of the other sensors are going off, so I'm not toxic, but, and I'm not combustible, but I did deplete the oxygen. This is going into alarm at this point, and at any, as soon as it gets down below the alarm set point, I can push the reset button and it will go back into, it does have what we call a latching alarm. So if it goes into alarm and you push the reset button and you're still in a hazardous zone, in other words, the gas is still above the alarm set point, it'll go right back into alarm. So in other words, it would not go quiet like it did just now. So if I kept breathing on it and kept pushing the button, it would still keep going back into alarm. And that's what we call a latching alarm.
Okay.
Okay, so it's a safety thing to make sure that, somebody just doesn't treat it as an annoyance, that they really look at it and say, okay, yeah, I've got to acknowledge it. They acknowledge it once or twice and they know they got a hazard, so typically.